This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. With the engine completely cold, slowly unscrew the expansion tank cap, allowing any residual pressure to escape. Position a suitable container beneath the right-hand end of the radiator. Loosen the radiator drain plug and allow the coolant to drain into the container. If desired, a length of tubing can be fitted to the drain outlet to direct the flow of coolant during draining. When the system has finished draining, close the drain plug and remove the tubing. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Prepare a 50-50 mixture of the correct antifreeze and water. Add the coolant to the expansion tank until the level reaches the cold mark on the side of the tank. Help bleed the air from the system by repeatedly squeezing the radiator hoses. Then, with the level correct, refit the expansion tank filler cap. Run the engine at a fast idle speed until the cooling fan cuts in. Wait for the fan to stop, then switch the engine off and allow the engine to cool. When the engine has cooled, check and if necessary top up the coolant to the cold level in the expansion tank. Ensure the filler cap is securely refitted. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.